Hey Fools, Matt Copenheffer here as part of the Ask a Fool series. I've got a question from our Twitter feed from Clansu. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. Clansu asks, with the U.S.'s current performance, does it still make sense to buy gold or invest in any gold ETF? Well, I will admit right off that I am not one of the gold faithful, so you can guess where my opinion is going to lie from there. However, here's what I'll say about investing in gold. I think the investors who were getting into gold about a decade ago, I can't help but give them a thumbs up. Many kudos in that direction. That has obviously paid off in gold, you might say. However, looking ahead, anybody that wants to invest in gold, here's what I would encourage them to do, and this is actually what I've done for myself. Start a spreadsheet and track gold, the price of gold, versus the price of other commodities. We're talking about wheat, cattle, coffee. So if we're thinking about when gold is going to make a good investment, my view on it is that when the price of gold in comparison to other commodities that, if you're thinking about gold in terms of money, that you would, the kind of commodities that you'd be buying with the gold, when that ratio falls below its long-term average, when those ratios fall below their long-term averages, that's when I think gold would be an attractive investment. Right now, not so much. So I'm not really interested in looking at gold as an investment. And in fact, when I look back at the question, the U.S.'s current performance, I am actually bullish on the U.S.'s performance, if not right now, the potential going forward. I see a lot of positive signs for the U.S. economy, and that includes a slowly, but we're starting to see recovery in the U.S. housing market. That has been distinctly missing from the U.S.'s recovery so far and is typically a big contributor to economic recoveries. So as opposed to wanting to invest in gold or say a gold ETF like GLD, I would rather own, stocks in the Dow Jones, or I'd rather own stocks in the S&P 500. I would rather own productive companies and companies that are going to benefit from what I see as a U.S. recovery that will gain some more steam going forward. Again, this is Matt Copenheffer, and you can always read more on Fool.com.
People on the show may have interest in the stocks they talk about, and the Motley Fool may have formal recommendations for or against. Don't buy or sell stocks based solely on what you hear.